Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome back on my channel. This is video part 5, how to earn money on YouTube. I believe this will be the last video, and in this video we are going to work with the Google Adsense account, and we are going to learn how to transfer money on your account from Google Adsense account. And in my last video we talked about we have already monetized our channel, and we have earned money already. Like say, if you see I'm on this page, on a YouTube studio page, and we click on a video, and if you see I have a monetization over here and $sign, that means my channel is already monetized. And then we go to the analytics, and we see there's already money we have made in the last 28 days, and how you can check. Now we have to go to Google AdSense account. We have to see money over there and transfer to our account. So for that one, we're gonna search in Google for Google AdSense account. You can search on it. If you go all the way down, you have to find the one related to Google AdSense account. If you see over here, it says Google AdSense earn money from website and monetize. Then it will open on this page. So at that page, we have to sign in. We'll sign in. We're gonna sign in for the YouTube channel, like whatever your username, password, like whatever email you use to sign in for YouTube, we're gonna use the same thing. So once you log in over here, like I'm already on my channel, you can see I have so far made whatever, and the last this one already, like last couple of months I haven't transfer any money or anything, so I have all money over here. And you will see, if you don't do anything after that, you will see your payment are currently on hold. Action is required to place payment, release payment. So that means we have to set up our account, our payments. That means like we have to add some other tax information, like like if you are a business, then you need to put your tax ID. If you are like personal, then your social security will be your tax ID. And we also need to put a bank account information where we are going to transfer. So for this one, you can click on the action, or you can go to the payments. Either one, you click one. I'm going to click on action, and we'll see what they're asking me to do it. Take a couple seconds. There are issues with your payment account. So we are unable to process your payment because your tax information is incomplete. So first we are going to complete our tax information. We're going to click on update, and it takes to our this page, tax form questions. To help find appropriate tax form, please answer the question. You have to read this one. Are you a US citizen? Yes. Continue. At this page, first thing we have to inform the classification of federal tax. If you file jointly, single, whatever. Then our house address and country where you live. And over here, tax identification number. Once you fill all your information on top, it will be give you option. If you fill like as a business name over here, then they will ask you about the tax exemption ID number over here. You have to get your like whatever your business tax ID number you have to file over here. If you're filling it individually, then they will give you option for your social security. If you are in the USA, your social security will be your tax ID. Then you have to accept this term, and we just simply will click on submit. I will be filling all information of the camera. Then we will go to the next step. Click submit. Sorry, over here we have to signature, like whatever your name, you have to type your name or something. We click submit. That means we have accepted our term. So once you submit, you click on submit, you have already updated your tax information. Now we are going to move to the next step. There's another action is required. We are going to update our payment method, like how I want to transfer my payment. So after you filing your all the tax information and everything, now the next step is the receive payment. Please choose a valid payment method. We're gonna click on update on this one, or you simply click on payment too. So now we have to add payment method. So at the payment method, we have to fill only couple things. We have to put our bank account, bank name, whatever the bank you have it. Then you have to put the saving or checking account, whatever kind of account. Then you need to put your routing name and your account number. You have to set as a primary or secondary, whatever. If you're adding another one, then you just can simply click on a save. That's the view how you can find your routing name and the account number from your checkbook. So now this one also I will fill out of the camera. So once you've submitted your information, account information, they'll ask you to verify. Either way, you can verify by logging into your bank account or verify by the test deposit. So I'm going to choose like a logging into bank account, click on verify. Over here I have to put my bank account login and password. So at this point, by the logging in, it didn't got verified somehow, but I'm gonna do verify by tested deposit, but it's gonna take 2 to 3 days. So I'm gonna click on verify. So here it tells us where Google will deposit less than US $1 into your bank account within the next 3 to 5 business days. Go to payment method page to enter the exact amount of the deposit. And that's the way your account is going to be verified. So we're going to click on got it. So now at this time we have to wait for verification. It's pending right now. The way the Google have a message earlier, it's going to take like 2 to 3 days or take it 5 days. Like it take us almost a whole week. So once our account will be verified, then we can start transferring the payment, and we are also going to set up automatic payment. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.